going to explain the topic seasonal changes and their effects on temperature. The rotation of the earth on its inclined axis, the position of the earth during its revolution round the sun, the inclination of the earth axis with its fixed position pointing to the pole and the angle that the sun makes with the zenith of a place observed at noon are the main factors which determine the season. The amount of heat received by the earth depends on the altitude of the sun with reference to the position of the earth during its revolution. The part of the earth receiving direct rays of the sun is much hotter than the places receiving oblique rays of the sun. This is because the amount of heat is more concentrated while in oblique rays is spread over a larger area. Hence it is not very hot. Thus the difference of temperature between the four seasons spring, summer, autumn and winter are largely the results of the difference in the elevation of the sun or its altitude at different times. The sun is overhead at the equator in spring equinoxes on 21st March and September 23rd at the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere, and on 21st June is known as summer solstice, and at the Tropic of Capricorn in southern hemisphere on 22nd December known as winter solstice. The area beyond the Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north to 90 degree north and Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south to 90 degree south experiences 6 months of day and 6 months of night. Summer solstice. The word solstice in Latin means sun standing still or reaching the zenith or the highest point. On 21st June or 22nd June, the Earth's position at 23.5 degree is towards the sun. Hence, the Tropic of Cancer receives the direct rays of the sun and northern hemisphere experiences summer season. The summer season applies only to the northern hemisphere as southern hemisphere is experiencing its winter season because south pole is away from the sun. The great circle that demarcates the boundary between sunlight and shadowed half of the earth is called the circle of illumination. At the summer solstice, it divides all the parallels except equator into unequal parts. Special features of summer solstice. The duration of day is longer than night. Daylight lasts the entire 24 hours beyond the Arctic Circle towards the North Pole. This is evident as the entire polar area north of the Arctic Circle lies within the illuminated area by the sun. The length of day increases with increasing latitude north of the equator. At the corresponding latitudes in the north and south of the equator, the relative lengths of day and night is exact opposite relation. The southern hemisphere will experience winter and Antarctic region will be in total darkness. And with this, I am ending my today's class.